Hey friends, let's learn how to play Mad World by Gary Jules. Let's jump straight into it. So with this one we're going to have the capo on the first fret, and we'll just be doing down strums to keep it easy for the beginner, and just doing a strum on each beat. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. So intro, we're just going to start on E minor, 1 bar, 4 down strums. 2, 3, 4 to A, same again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just repeat that twice, and that's our intro. 1, 2, 3, A. Back to E minor. And A. And that's our intro there. Now let's have a look at our verses. So for our verse, it's just E minor for a bar, to G for a bar, to D for a bar, and A for a bar. And we just do that 4 times, and that's our verse. Let's do that a couple of times up to speed, starting on the E minor, G, D, and A. Repeat that again, E minor, G, D, and A. And that's our verse there. We just do that 4 times. From there we go into our chorus, and that's the same as the intro, just our E minor and our A. This time we do it 6 times. Let's do that a couple of times. E minor to A. To our A. Back to E minor. And our A. Repeat that 6 times, and that's our chorus there. Then we go back to the verse, we do that exactly the same. E minor, G, D and A 4 times. Then after that verse we go to the chorus, but this time we do it 8 times, so just E minor and A for a bar each, do that 8 times, and just finish on the E minor chord with 1 strum. So let me do that last chorus a couple of times, just so you can see the last E minor there. So E minor, A, So we've made that nice and simple there for the beginner. So I hope you enjoyed this. Just take your time, build your speed up, work on your chord changes. We've just kept it as a down strum, so it makes it a little bit easier there for you. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you jump onto my channel, have a look in the playlist. There's a complete beginner's course there. So I'll see you soon.